How to be admin of a Viber group. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can become admin of Viber group. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the Viber application in your mobile device. And here, if you're wondering how you can be an admin of the Viber group, so you'll be automatically be the admin when you create the group in Viber. And if you're already an admin, you can make other people in the group as admin. So if you want to be an admin of a group, then you have to create the group. So now in order to create the group and to be the admin of that group, tap on the chat icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, you have an option to create a new group or community. So tap on new group or community. Now from all of this list as displayed on your interface, you have to select the contact that you want to add in your group. So scroll through the list of people right here and you can select them in order to create a group. You can add as much as people as you want in your group, then tap on next. Here you can choose your group name. You can clear this name and add a group name, and once you're done, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now you'll be automatically be the admin of this group. But in case if you want to make other participant admin, you have to open up the group chat and then tap on the group name at the top. Now you can see all of the participant list. There you have to tap and hold on the member's name and then select the option as make admin, and then the person that you have chosen will be the admin. But if you're just a member of the group, then you cannot make yourself an admin. So in that case, you need to ask an existing admin to promote you to the admin. But alternatively, if only admin leaves the group, Viber will auto-assign admin rights to the most active members in your group. So in this way, you can become an admin of a Viber group, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.